Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, today we're going to get into something pretty simple, but of course delicious. We're making home fries, or skillet potatoes as some people call them. Either way, they're delicious. If you want to see how we make them, just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have a couple of potatoes, about a quarter of a green pepper, quarter red bell pepper, half of a medium-sized onion, 2 packets of Sazon. We have some pink Himalayan sea salt. You can use regular salt, whatever, that's fine. Black pepper, complete seasoning, parsley flakes, and garlic powder. Okay, so first up, we are going to get our veggies all sliced up, diced up. You can make your onions and peppers as big or as small as you like. I like little bits, so I sliced them up kind of small. And then, of course, you want your potatoes to all be uniform size so that they cook evenly. All right, so first up, get your oil heated up in your pan. You can use olive oil. I use vegetable oil. Olive oil has a higher heating temperature, so you can not really worry about it burning, but you want to get that heated up. Do not add your potatoes into a cold pan. Let your oil heat up first, and then we're just going to go ahead and season them. So we're going to season them, mix it up, get it all stirred up, and then I'm going to go ahead and season them again. You want to season to taste, so I'm not going to give you perfect measurements for as far as how much you want to put in there. It's all to taste. Okay, so just get those seasoned, and then you just go ahead and add in your onions and peppers, mix those in, and let those go for a bit. Now, you can see a little bit at the bottom of the pan is starting to get brown. You want to constantly stir so they don't stick or they don't burn. Okay, so you're going to let those go for a bit, constantly checking them. This is when they're just about done. You can see a little bit of sticking, but that's okay. You want to make sure that your potatoes are fork tender. You want them to have a little bit of a bite. You don't want them to be completely mushy, so you got to kind of pay attention to it. But just, sit there, you want to watch it. You can cover it for a bit with a pot top and let them do their thing. But you just go ahead, make sure your veggies are soft, make sure you taste it to see if your seasoning is right, add salt and pepper if you need, and then, you can let them go for a little bit, and they'll be all set, ready to go. They are delicious. Look at that, nice sizzle, nice golden brown, just what you like. You can have them on the side, breakfast, you can have them for dinner. I make them all the time for breakfast, lunch, dinner, doesn't matter. But just enjoy. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel for more content, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Take care.